Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be going over some exciting news for NIO. We got a price upgrade, and then we'll break down NIO from a technical standpoint. Now before we get into the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps my channel grow, and I will continue to pull these videos out every day for you with NIO, XPeng, and also Tesla as well. And if you want to see any other stocks broken down daily, let me know in the comments below and I'll do that for you. Now let's get right into the video. So we have some exciting news. At Goldman Sachs, an analyst just raised his price target to $59 a share. He goes on to say he has a certain criteria that he goes about to analyze stocks, and it mostly concerns of how their potential growth is in the future, and NIO has a lot of growth in the future, right? I talked about an article yesterday with how they're adding more battery swap stations, so they're growing as a company overall, and 2021 is going to be an amazing year for NIO, and the analyst over at Goldman Sachs thinks as well. So this is exciting news. If you're in NIO right now, you know that they have a price target of $59 a share. That's actually past all-time highs, so that is exciting to learn about. Now let's break down the chart from a technical standpoint like we always do. Let's talk about where NIO is heading and what you should do if you're in it right now. Let me preface this video by saying if you're in shares, no need to worry if you got in at bad average. What my advice is to you is just hold it, just wait, and just ride this out. Now if you're trading NIO, meaning that you're buying and selling and you're only holding for a couple days or weeks because you're looking to get that quick profit, that's completely fine as well. This video is for trading and investment as well, but with the investment side, you really don't need to have a plan, or you at least don't need to have a stop loss like I do. So if you're in NIO right now, let's say you get in right now, where's your stop loss at? My stop loss would be at 42.53. Once we get below this area, then we're probably heading back down to this $38 range once again, and that would be a good dip buy opportunity. But in my previous video, I talked about how NIO needs to hold above this support, and we need to continue this uptrend. We're barely doing that right now, guys. So going to the session tomorrow and Friday, what we need to see is some more bullish momentum action. We really need to see buyers come in and push through the support. We're barely holding on to the support, and if you're bullish on NIO right now, this isn't something you want to see because we're barely holding on to this support. So we really need to get above it tomorrow. We're only up 92 cents a day, around $1. We've been hovering around. We did hit all-time highs today of around 45.17. So it has been a better day today, and we've just been slowly selling off. But that's fine. We still have tomorrow and Friday, and especially with this new upgrade on NIO, it's just more bullish news for NIO because other firms out there, such as Goldman Sachs, is still bullish on NIO. So there's nothing to panic about. There's nothing to worry. NIO's time is coming, and is soon going to reach all-time highs once again, probably in 2021. 2020, the year's almost over. Don't have too much expectations, but 2021, that's where the magic is happening. We have NIO Day, beginning of January, and we also have 100 new EV stations being added to NIO in 2021. So they're expanding their market, they're bringing their product to more consumers, and they're becoming a lot more accessible, especially in 2021. So I have no doubt in my mind that we'll easily hit way past $59 in 2021. But right now, we need to focus on the micro, what's happening today, and how we need to continue this momentum. We really need to get above this $44.64 area. Once we get above this, then we can start analyzing, seeing where it can go next. So for this video, let's talk about the scenario where we get above it. If we get above this area and hold it, our next level of resistance is at 48.35. This is a minor resistance. I charted this out. That's why it's a pink line. And the real resistance, or the major resistance, is at 49.34. So first, we need to get above 48.35. And then finally, we need to get above around 49.23, 49.30, give or take. Let me draw it out for you and show you how this is how I want you to go. So we get above resistance. Perfect. We retest it and confirm it. We hold this area. Then we push up to this resistance level. We consolidate a little bit. Then we push right through, retest it from the top, and then push right through. So if you're bullish on NIO, this is a good scenario to look out for, and this is how you want NIO to play out. So keep in mind that it may take a couple of days for this to happen, but NIO's a slow mover, but when it does move, we have these big uptrends, and that's what you want to see. And we're slowly continuing back up towards the top, but we still need to get above these levels and stay in this channel again so we can start consolidating to move up. Because right now we're still making these lower highs, and we need to turn this trend around to where it's bullish again, and we're slowly doing that, guys. Right? We had the downtrend, we based out, now we're trying to reverse, but we really need to get above these levels right here in order to continue this uptrend, because if we don't, then we're just making this lower high scenario, and that's a bear scenario. And if you're bullish on NIO, that's something you don't want to see. So I'm coming out with this video to show y'all, if you're in NIO right now, especially if you're in shares, don't worry about it. This will return eventually, so I wouldn't have any type of panic. Even if you got in at a bad entry, let's say at $47, even $50, don't panic. NIO is a good company, and especially we have a lot more analysts coming out upgrading their price target on NIO. So there's no reason for you to panic and sell your shares. Just wait the storm out, because eventually, guys, it will return. And if you're trading it though, you can follow my plan, and that's how I trade NIO personally. Now, I do have some investment shares, so I do hold NIO, but I also trade it as well. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next